Luxurious townhome located in Galleria Lofts featuring 2 bedrooms plus a den/bonus room and 2.5 bathrooms. Upon entering this immaculate home, you are welcomed by an open floor plan with chef's kitchen with extended cabinetry and a half bathroom. Upstairs, the owner's suite features a private terrace, a spa-like bathroom with large shower, soaking tub, dual sinks, and ample closet space. Also upstairs is the second bedroom with a Murphy bed included and a bonus room which can be used as an office, full bathroom and washer and dryer. This unit has a gated front yard, 1-car garage, as well as an assigned parking space. Electric blinds on all windows. Amenities include pool and pet park. Great location. Just minutes to Fort Lauderdale's best restaurants, shopping, beaches, Olas Blvd Airport.